it's me, Mukil again. Today we're gonna do a book review of Super Diaper Baby. It's another marvelous comic book by Diaper and George Beard and Harold Hutchins. I don't know if you can see it. And it's Treehouse Comic proudly presents the adventures of Super Diaper Baby and their Super Diaper Baby to the invasion of the potty snatchers. And it has a lot of action, lot of laughs. Most important, flipporama in every chapter. Not like Dogman and Captain Underpants. They have like little less flippораmas only, but this has flipporama in every chapter. You must read this. It's amazing. As like every other Diaper book, this starts how the superhero is born. Super Diaper Baby is born in this book. Husband and wife go to the hospital and they said, we're gonna have a baby. And the nurse said, you have to answer some questions first. Nurse asks name. Oh gosh, we didn't pick his name yet. They said, not the baby's name, your name. And they replied, Billy and Mary Hoskins. Age, the nurse said. Oh, I guess you'll be 0. Not the baby's age, your age. 30 and a half, they replied. Occupation? Oh, we don't think he'll be old enough for a job. Oh, crying out. Now the baby is born. Meanwhile, Deputy Danger and Danger Dog made a underwear washing place, and Captain Underpants just flew and said hello. And he didn't think Deputy Danger and Danger Dog was a bad guy, and because he was a dumb kind of guy. And then he just walked into the place, and Deputy Danger and Danger Dog locked him and got a super ray and rayed him like rayed him and took the superpower and made it juice and gave half to Danger Dog. And the police came and said, hey, where do you think you're going? And Danger Dog and Deputy Danger just escaped. And meanwhile in the hospital, the baby was born and the doctor was trying to give him a spanking, but he slipped through the window, and while Danger Dog and Deputy Danger were going, the other half of the juice was still there. Deputy Danger wanted to drink it, but he had to wait to drink it. But the baby just drank it, and he just smashed the bad guy. And he liked the dog because he was not kind of a bad guy. He was just helping him for some reason. The nurse came and put on diapers on him, and she said, let's go and see our mommy and daddy in upstairs. And the Super Diaper Baby just flew into the window and saw his mommy and daddy. Instead of walking through the doors, he just flew like blah, because he has superpowers flying. Super Diaper Baby gives the doctor spankings instead of the doctor giving him spankings. And he let go of him and saw his mom and dad, and his dad said, let's name him after me because he acts like me. His name was Billy, and that's how Super Diaper Baby was born. And the doctor said you should have named him Spanky. He with a frowned face. This is how Super Diaper Baby is born. This is definitely an amazing book to read. Thanks for watching. Please support and subscribe my channel.